students, I welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus and would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, in my last sessions we have discussed about congruent triangles. Today we will continue with this. Congruent triangles. You know very well what is congruent triangles. In my last session we have discussed about SAS property, side angle side property of congruent triangle. If two triangles side angle side property, then in this session we will continue with this. This is an example. I have already told you students, please practice more and more questions, then can you attempt any questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Here A, B and C, D are two lines. They intersect at the point O in such a way that OA is equal to OB given OD is equal to OC is equal to OD given. Then we have to prove that here the conditions given, the figure, the conditions given OA is equal to OB and OC is equal to OD. Then we have to prove that, to prove that first triangle AOD is congruent with the triangle BOC. AOD is congruent with the triangle BOC. Another second thing we have to prove that AD is parallel to BC. Third, we have to prove that AD is equal to BC. Then prove. Here the conditions are given. Then at first consider the triangle OAD triangle and consider the triangle OBC. Then consider triangle, consider triangle AOD and triangle BOC and triangle POC. Then here OC is equal to OD given. Then another thing is given. OA is equal to OB is given. Then here the angle AOD is equal to BOC, vertically opposite. The angle AOD is equal to BOC. Angle BOC as vertically opposite. This angle is equal to this angle as they are vertically opposite. Always write the cause. Why this equal to this? Why this equal to this? Why this equal to this? This is given condition. This is given conditions. It is vertically opposites. Then by the conditions SAS property, side angle side. Then by SAS property, then by side angle side property, the triangle AOD is congruent with the triangle BOC. Then if these two triangles are congruent, then AD is equal to by CP. Then AD is first condition proof. The third condition, AD is equal to BC by CPCT. What is CPCT? corresponding part of congruent triangles by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangles. AD is equal to BC by CPCT. Then the third point said AD is parallel to BC. Look at here. This angle is equal to this angle by CPCT. The angle ADO is equal to angle BCO by CPCT. And here, look at here, by CPCT. Here look at the BC and AD are two lines. CD is the transversal, whereas BC and AD are two lines and CD is the transversal. Then this angle and this angle are alternate pairs. When the alternate pairs are same, means AD is parallel to BC. Here ADO angle is equal to BCO angle by CPCT. Since they are alternate pair, this implies that BC is parallel to AD. Look at here. BC and AD are two lines. CD is the transversal. This angle is equal to this angle by CPCT. But this angle and this angle are alternate pair of each other. This angle is alternate pair of this. When the alternate pair measure same, which implies BC is parallel to AD. Then we prove these three conditions. Then next questions. I have already told you, please practice variety of questions and more questions. Here another question said. Here another example. Here ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle and BC produced to D. Then this angle measure 110 degree. AC is equal to AB. We have to find out the measure of angle A. Here the given conditions, here given ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. AB is equal to AC. And BC produced to D. Then BCD is an external angle. BCD is equal to 110 degree. Is an external angle. Then we have to find out the measure of angle A. Here the condition is given AB equal to AC. Then angle B is equal to angle C. But angle C is the linear pair of ACD. C angle is linear pair of ACD, which equal to 110 degree. Then measure of C is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. When the measure of C is 70 degree, which implies measure of B is equal to measure of C is equal to 70 degree. Then angle A is equal to 180 minus measure of B plus measure of C by angle sum property. Then which equal to 180 minus 70 plus 70, which equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degree. Then measure of angle A is 40 degree. Solve. We find the question. Look at here. ABC is a triangle. AB equal to AC given. then BC produced to D, then the external angle 110 is given. We have to find out the measure of angle A. Here AB and AC, which imply angle B is equal to angle C, but angle C is linear pair of 110. Since linear pair, measure of C is equal to 180 minus 110, this is 70 degree. When measure of angle C is 70 degree, which imply angle B is also 70 degree. As angle C and angle B are 70 degree, then angle A is equal to 180 minus angle B plus angle C by angle sum property. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree, which imply 180 minus 70 plus 70, which is 50 degree. Then we find the value of angle A is 40 degree. Okay. Then next question. I have already told you, students, please practice variety of questions. Please practice variety of questions. Here the question says ABC is a triangle. Here the question says ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle, and the condition is given AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Then X and Y are 2 points on AB and AC in such that AX is equal to AY. Then we have to find out that, we have to prove that BY is equal to CX. Then join BY and CX. Here this is X, this is Y. What is the conditions given? ABC is a triangle. The conditions given: ABC is a triangle such that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC, and X and Y are 2 points on AB and AC, on AB and AC, such that the condition is given AX is equal to AY. The condition is also given AX is equal to AY. Then to prove that, we have to prove that BY is equal to CX. Then we have to prove that BY is equal to CX. Here proof. Consider the triangle. Here proof. Consider the triangle AXC and triangle AYB Consider the triangle AXC and AYB. Then AYB. Then here AX is equal to AY given. AX is equal to AY given, and AB side is equal to AC is also given. Then the angle, this angle, then the angle BAY, angle BAY is equal to CAX, is equal to angle CAX. This as common angle, look at here, common angle CAB, this angle, look at BAY, this, then CAX, this is common angle. Then by side angle side, then by SAS property, then by side angle side property, then by SAS property, the triangle, look at here, the triangle AXC, is congruent with the triangle AYB, the triangle AYB. The triangle AXC is congruent with the triangle AYC, which imply BY is equal to CX by CP. What is CP? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. What is CP? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. Then this side is equal to this side by CP. Then next question. Then here another question. To prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle and if the altitude AD bisect BC. Look at here. What is the question says? To prove that the triangle ABC is an isosceles as AD, the altitude bisect the base BC. Look at here. ABC is a triangle. AD is the altitude. Altitude means this angle 90 degree. And AD bisect BC. This implies BD is equal to CD. Then proof. Look at here. ABC is a triangle. And AD is the altitude. AD is altitude on BC and AD bisect BC, which implies BD is equal to CD. All are given because this says that AD bisect BC is perpendicular and bisect BC. Okay. Then consider triangle. ADB and triangle ADC. Consider triangle ADB and triangle ADC. And here ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Given because AD is the altitude and AD is the common side. AD is the common side for the triangle. AD is the common side and BD is equal to CD. Given because the altitude bisect BC. Then by SAS property, side angle side property, the triangle ADB is congruent with the triangle ADC triangle. These two triangles congruent to each other, which imply angle B is equal to angle C by CP. As angle B is equal to angle C, which imply AB side is equal to AC side, which imply AB side is equal to AC side. This imply ABC is an isosceles triangle. Because these two sides are same means ABC is an isosceles triangle. Look at here. Consider the triangle ADB and the triangle ADC. Here these two angles are same because 90 degree altitude. Then BD is equal to BC as AD bisect the base BC. Then this side is common. Then by side angle side property, these two triangles are congruent to each other. When these two triangles are congruent to each other, which imply angle B is equal to angle C by CP. When angle B is equal to angle C means in ABC triangle, AB must be equal to AC, means ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, students, today this much. In my next sessions we will continue with this. Thank you. Happy learning.